Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I am super excited because your favorite influencer sent me this. Your boy Tony sent me a big SAMMIT LED sign that we're gonna be putting up, and we're gonna be putting it to the test. So tune out for that in a little bit because it needs to go up on the wall there. Well, the roof, whatever. We're putting it there today. That is the goal. So at the end of this video, you're gonna see that, but we got a huge upgrade for the shop. Not only are we getting this sign, but we got a shipment today, didn't we, Chichan? Yeah.
We did. Yeah, it was huge.
It was very huge.
Problems.
We got this crate, and we got these two crates, which are literally slightly taller than me, and I'm 6'3", so you know there's something big in there. These are the first shipment. The rest of the shipment actually arrives next week, but there ain't no way I can sit here and work in this shop with these boxes and not rip them open and show you guys what's inside. You've already seen the logo. You already know what it is. They're on the FD car as well. Look, you can see it on the side there because the hood's up in the air. But SP Tools has decided to completely partner with us and support our shop and send us all of our tooling needs. Yeah, I know, look how tiny May is compared to these crates. So, before anything else gets started, I think I want to have a little bit of fun with these boxes though.
I'm not gonna take responsibility if you...
SP stands for Sam Parkour. Buckle. That was weird. 3. So I don't know if you can tell, but my dopamine is really peaking right now. 最初はグー、じゃんけんぽん。I got a shot. I got a shot. Hey! All right, you're out. Okay. That's us three.
What?
That's us three.
Good.
All right, 最初はグー、じゃんけんぽん。I got a shot. All right, you two.
いや、何やるの？
You two. The winner gets to do something. You two.
最初はグー、じゃんけんぽい。
I call a shot. I call a shot. Hey, Daiki, which box are we opening first?
あ、それね。これから行こうか。
You want to open the black one? Let's open the black one. I think Daiki should be also just as excited as I am about this, because it's going to make his job easier as well. Look!
Wow.
Oh my god! Guys, 1/2-inch drive, standard. This is standard. Wait. No, this is metric. Metric. Standard and deep. Ooh. This is cool. Impact socket set. Look, chanto impact.
No. What's this?
Oh. Wait, this is all the foam that goes inside the box so that everything has a place. Oh, Daiki, you know what you're doing for like the next 12 hours? We gotta put all of this in there. Oh my god, I just realized something. I'm finally not the biggest tool in the shop.
I'm forced to be here.
This 18-volt cordless impact? Okay, I gotta open this right away. Dude, this is sick.
What's this?
That's an LED light.
Oh,
Whoa.
wow. I've never seen a wavy one.
So cool.
I think it's flexible.
Dude, this is literally Christmas. Look at the pry. Oh my god, we finally got brand new pry bars, Daiki. Do you know how long we've needed pry bars for, guys? Oh my gosh. Daiki, this means business.
Yeah.
And you know what? I just realized something. Wait, where'd it go? It's the same color. No, it's all right. SP tools are durable. They can handle drops. Ooh.
That sounds pretty gnarly.
They're like, look at my wrist. The torque.
Yeah. Now you can't play with your tools.
Yeah, they definitely
Gil's
can't.
gonna
This
hurt
would hurt
himself.
him. Okay, so there's a second shipment coming, and all of this will make sense soon, but I believe this is our portable toolkit and toolbox that will come with us to FD rounds, while these are the two, I believe, tool cabinets that will be on either side of the main, like the big toolbox cabinet that will be coming for the shop next week. But yeah, there's a lot to unpack and go through. So I think we're just gonna open a few other items and go from there, but what's that? Is that torque wrench?
340 Newton meters.
Finally got a big one. Push, push.
I was gonna suggest using a jack to hold it up.
Okay.
Good job, Dyke.
うわ、これあれじゃない？
Oh, there was a ramp the whole time. Are you kidding? Dude, SP2 is kind of thinking this through, but I ain't. I'm just too excited for the tools, bruh. This one, I know. Have to get this. Be alright. Pizza.
Look at Dyke, he's pro.
Oh, yeah, he's really good at taking stickers off. Yeah, I don't know why it's only him that's making that weird noise, but
It's because my fingers are just giant sausages. I don't have fingernails to do this with.
What do you guys think?
Stop it. Get some help.
ooh, yo, look how big this is.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these mats.
Comes padded already.
Yeah,
Soft close.
this is beautiful.
I love the smell.
Mawa.
Why are you opening everything?
I'm just making sure there's nothing in the oven, you know? You never know. You never know what the X-ray machine missed at the import place. Thank you so much to everyone at SB Tools. This has been super long in the making and it feels insanely amazing to actually have some of the gear here. Like I said, next week we've got even more stuff coming. We'll show you when that gets here as well. But to have my entire shop fitted out with some of the best tools in the industry is a game changer. I can't tell you how many times I've had the wrong tool for the job, and being able to have the right tools for the job now is going to be such a game changer for us. Right, Daiki?
Hi. Yes. Yes.
No, it's not that. Isn't it this?
No.
What?
I
No.
have to do this. All right, we're not doing this.
No, it's cool, Alicia. Cool.
I don't know, but I kind of want to see these two sooner now. No, yeah, have mine. I think we just lost the 10 mil.
No, 10 mil.
No, there it is. We're good. We're good. We're good.
Of course, it's that one's gonna pop out.
Of course. Dude, look at all the American standards too. All the way up to 1 inch. That's 26. That's the 1 incher. Oh wow, look. It's got this in here too.
Oh.
So you can actually grip onto it without it flaring and stuff. Yo.
Oh my goodness.
Look at this tiny little. Oh. Daiki's gonna love this kit. Look at all the drill bits. All of these are drill bits.
Holy crap!
Oh!
Wow! Wow.
Hey, look! Wire brushes! Your favorite thing for cleaning!
This is our new wand.
Oh my gosh, it's so big! Wait, man, calm down. This is sick! Multimeter,
Even these
testers, look at all the tweezers, easy out. Wait, why is there instead of easy outs with the electrical stuff? Still, that's cool. The magnet. Oh, look at the proper rubber mallet.
Look at the thread cleaning chip.
That's a thread cleaning
Yeah,
tool?
the thread cleaning files.
That's what that is? That's the first time I've ever seen that. What's that used for? Cleaning threads?
Yeah, each side will have a certain pitch and a side, and you
That
can.
says 11, that says 150. Oh, 1 inch and 1.5 inch. That's sick. Okay, well, there's tools here that I didn't even know existed. Look, more! More! More!
Here.
Oh my gosh, look at the punch set and the picks. Uh-oh, we lost the
That's
tool.
exactly what we need right now.
Oh my gosh, hammer set! Hey, wait, guys, it's hammer time. Wait, we have them in all SA American standards? And the Torx bits too? really like SP Tools. Okay, Tony's calling. Once again, SP Tools, thank you so much. I'm so excited, and we'll give you guys an update and some B-roll once everything's found a place where it needs to live. Also, there might be a ton of junk tools in the trash can out the front of my shop, free for anyone to grab soon. So, you know, just DM SAMMIT HQ, we'll figure something out.
A few moments later.
2.5.
Yeah. 422.
422. Is good enough.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Come on, Tony.
Yeah, careful.
Let it sit here like that. Yeah, it looks pretty amazing. I'm stoked about that. This is just final, like not final fitment, but it looks good. What do you think? This is a little bit involved.
Yeah.
Look, we're not sign writers or professionals at this, but we'll make it work. We'll figure it out. We get it done. I mean, look, we're using the loader truck as the platform to stand up.
I haven't zoomed out on this quite yet.
Yeah,
but
look, we're making it work. We're not blocking the road, that's the main thing, but figuring this out. And then electrical, luckily I know a guy. Daikie's best friend is an electrician.
you win a piece of wire.
I'm telling you, man, if electricians aren't using bore scopes, I don't know what you're doing, because the amount of times this bore scope has saved my life running wires, I have no idea. And welding wire, of course. That was a mission. I think if I flick this, it should turn on.
All right, all set?
Yeah.
Yeah, go for it. Oh, wow. That's really bright.
Is it?
That's really bright.
That looks amazing.
It's completely drowning out all the light on the camera, but that's super cool.
It should be... Oh, that looks actually super cool like that. Not too bright, it's kind of nice.
Yeah.
It looks sick. Good job, Tony. You did it great. Now we've got to get all the tools off that roof, and I got to put that PowerPoint back on the wall. Thing is, though, is I don't think this will work inside the wall because it's infrared, the remote. But that's, like, fine.
The next day.
Sam's gone to Malaysia and a whole shipment came. It is insane. It filled up the whole shop. So cool.
May you want to see what was on it?
Oh my goodness.
Not only that.
I only came here halfway through, but it came in this huge ass box. Thank you so much. Arigatou gozaimasu. With the logistic guide too.
Coming to you guys live from Malaysia in my hotel room. If you guys remember last year when we came here for the first time for Retro Havoc, I've got great news. We're here again, and this year it's looking like it's going to be its biggest and most craziest event yet. So keep an eye out for the content of that. I know you guys love that, but I just want to say a massive thank you once again to SP Tools for partnering with us. For the longest time, we have needed the proper tools for that shop. You guys have talked about it so much in the comments, and to be finally able to land a deal like this is huge for us, the channel and the growth and everything. So keep an eye out for all the great content that's going to come because of this partnership. And if you want to get some tools, hit up SP Tools. They are a global company, whether in the USA or Australia. Definitely get behind them. They've got such great products, and you're going to be able to see us using the tools, putting them to the test and seeing how durable they are and everything like that. So I'm really looking forward to it. Also, I just want to say a massive thank you to the girls, because that shipment was not supposed to arrive this week. We were told it was going to be next week once I was back, but it happened while I was on the plane heading over, and they handled packing that down and getting that off the truck. So massive shout out to the team, and I cannot wait to get back to the shop and start playing with all of that new gear. Also, the sign looks great, and I just want to also remind you guys that if you are visiting Japan, we do have an open door policy. So if you do want to come to the merch store out the front and buy some merch, and if time works out and there's nothing top secret that we're working on in the shop, usually the girls will give you a quick tour inside as well. I may not always be available, but you'll always be able to visit SAMMIT HQ, and we have some really cool stuff planned for the front retail store with more renovations as well as more products, not just merch, but also car parts that are not generally readily available in Japan. That's going to really help out the local market here. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and sorry for the short video, but I'm gonna go downstairs because the chaos and the havoc is just about to start. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.